What's up? I'm Larry. Audrey, Annistyn. Another unboxing video. This time it is Marvel's Collector Corps. It's comes every 2 months. This one is.
Open the present.
This one is the new Captain America movie, Civil War, and this one is supposed to be pretty much all exclusives. So. So on top, we have a patch. It just says, "Welcome to the Marvel Collector Corps." And a button.
And a button.
That's Black Panther.
Black Panther.
And inside, of course, it's a list. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Shows everything that could be in the box, or there's different, I guess, versions for different people. Get different things though. First, T-shirt. For the movie.
For a movie?
Got pops of Iron Man and Captain America for the Civil War. Pretty cool. And then, of course, a comic book, issue 1 of Black Panther Collector Corps.
Daddy, what's a titty?
Holy shit.
Titty.
I got me a new
Lanyard.
lanyard.
We're gonna like put on the
Yep.
key.
Dwarves.
Wow.
Captain America Civil War exclusive for this Marvel Collector Corps of Iron Man. I'd rather have Captain America, but it's alright. At least it ain't one of the nobodies. And last is by far the coolest piece, an exclusive for Marvel Collector Corps. It's a 2-pack Pops. Civil War, Captain America, and Iron Man.
Now you're happy.
Yeah, that's a good one right there. And it's an exclusive, so. Definitely happy with this box, and it's not even expensive to get this one. And you get all a bunch of good stuff, so I'll probably get this one again. Alright, anyway, that's this one. Thank you.